بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 8. As you can see, this is page 8 in your English book. Hurry up, all of you open it. Students, this is exercise 5. Exercise 5. Arrange the jumbled words into meaningful sentences. Okay, students, what is the question? Your question is arrange the jumbled words into meaningful sentences. You have to arrange the jumbled words into the meaningful sentences to make it into a correct form. Okay, students, now let's start this exercise. As you can see, what is written here? It is written here, teacher, full stop, is my father. Teacher, full stop, is my father. This is not a correct sentence. Okay, we have to arrange these jumbled words to make it a proper sentence. As your teacher has done over here, you can see my father is a teacher. Full stop. My father is a teacher. Full stop. Okay, students, please complete your work in a very neat and clean and beautiful handwriting. Very good. Are you doing with me? Excellent. My father is a teacher. Okay, students, now moving towards part B and what is written over here. Let's see. Apples, full stop, eat like you too. These all words are in a jumbled form and you have to rearrange them. Okay, आप इनको arrange करके लिखें to make a proper meaningful sentence. Apples, full stop, eat like you too. So your teacher has done over here. As you can see, I have already written over here, you like to eat apples. You like to eat apples. You like to eat apples and a full stop. Okay, students? Very good. Are you doing with me? That's very nice, students. Now let's move towards part C. Okay, students, part C is cat, dog, animals, full stop are and. Cat, dog, animals, full stop are and. Is this a proper sentence? No, we have to arrange them. We have to arrange these jumbled words to make a meaningful sentence. And yes, your teacher has done over here and you can see what is written over here. Cat and dog are animals. Cat and dog are animals. Repeat with me. Cat and dog are animals. Very good, students. Now let's move towards part D. Okay, students, part D is class 1, class I1, full stop, study in. Class I1, full stop, study in. You have to make it proper, okay, students? You will arrange all these jumbled words to make a proper sentence. I study in class 1. I study in class 1. Full stop. Repeat with me, students. I study in class 1. Full stop. Very good. Please do your work in a very neat and clean writing. Okay, dear students, now this is part E, and part E is can run I fast. Can run I fast. Jumbled words again, and now let's arrange them to make a meaningful sentence. I can run fast. I can run fast. Full stop. I can run fast. Full stop. Okay, students? And here we have finished our exercise. Let's recheck once again what we have done in this exercise. Okay, students, we have arranged the jumbled words into the meaningful sentences, and you can see over here, teacher, full stop, is my father, and my father is a teacher. Very good. Apples, full stop, eat like you do. Apples, full stop, eat like you do. You like to eat apples, full stop. You like to eat apples, full stop. Very good, students. Cat, dog, animals, full stop, are and. Cat, dog, animals, full stop, are and. Cat and dog are animals, full stop. Cat and dog are animals, full stop. Class I1, full stop, study in. Class I1, full stop, study in. I study in class 1, full stop. I study in class 1, full stop. Can run I fast, full stop. Can run I fast, full stop. I can run fast, full stop. I can run fast, full stop. Very good, students. As you can see, here we have finished our exercise 5 on page 8, and now it's your homework time. Okay, students, now this is your homework. You have to complete exercise 5 on page 8, and what you have to do, complete exercise 5 on page 8 and then share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp groups. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.